type of spoken or written text. It is intended to persuade the listener or reader that something is the case. To make the persuasion stronger, the speaker or writer gives some argument as the fundamental reason why something in the case. Of analytical exposition is to persuade the reader that there is something which needs attention. The analytical text exposition have a three structure. Three structure is a thesis, argument, and conclusion. So what is the thesis? The thesis is a section served to introduce the topic that will be discussed in the text. The introduction usually begins with a statement of opinion called thesis statement, and the secondly is an argument. In this section, the author can explain in more detail the topic discussed in their arguments. The author also provides supporting argument based on logical facts or data. And the third is a conclusion. Conclusion is the final part. Is the author will repeat the thesis statement and main argument that have been presented previously. The purpose of reiteration is to remind the reader of the author's opinion and provide a strong conclusion.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizky Simran Ahmad from 11th FLM2 number absen 15. Di sini saya mau menjelaskan tentang apa saja struktur dari explanation exposition. Exposition have a three structure. Number 1 thesis, number 2 argument, and the number 3 conclusion. What is a thesis? This section serves to introduce to the topic the will discuss in the text. The introduce usually begin with a statement option called an thesis statement. What is an argument? In this section, the author can explain in more detail the topic discussed in his argument. The author also provides supporting argument based on logical fact or data. What is a conclusion? The whole part is the conclusion. Here, the author will repeat the thesis statement and main argument that have been presented previously. The purpose of relation to remind the reader of the author opinion and provide a strong conclusion. Example of analytical exposition: the impact of social media on society. Thesis: social media has become an integral part of lives, transforming communication and interaction. While if of many benefits, is important to still examine the impact of social media or society and consider both its positive and negative aspect. Example of analytical exposition: argument. Firstly, social media ensures connection and communication. It allows people to connect with friends, family, communicate regardless of geographical boundaries. It provides a platform for sharing ideas, information, and experience. Example of analytical exposition: conclusion. Social media has both positive and negative impact on society. While it enhances connectivity and communication, it also has detrimental effect on mental health and contribute to the spread of misinformation.
Hello everyone, I would like to say thank you for coming in my presentation. It's great to see you all. My name is Rafa Maratu Soliha, and let me explain again the analytical exposition material. Analytical exposition is a type of writing that aims to logically explain an opinion or argument, provide in-depth analysis, and express the author's point of view. The purpose is to convince the reader of the importance of the topic being discussed. Structure of analytical exposition. Number 1 is thesis. Thesis is introduction of the topic, often beginning with a thesis statement expressing the author's opinion. Number 2 is argument. Argument is a detailed explanation of the topic, supported by logical fact or data. Number 3 is conclusion. Conclusion is a recital of the thesis statement and main arguments to reinforce the author's opinion, offering a strong conclusion. In essence, analytical exposition combines logical reasoning with a persuasive approach, guiding readers through a structured exploration of a particular viewpoint or argument. This is the example of the analytical exposition, and title is The Impact of Social Media on Society. Delves into the dual nature of social media, examining both its positive and negative effects. Number 1 is introduction. Introduction in the text is acknowledge the pervasive role of social media, prompting a critical examination of its social impact. Number 2 is argument. In the text, there are 3 arguments. A. Connectivity and communication. This is a positive argument because social media enhances connectivity, fosters a sense of belonging, and empowers social movements. B. Mental health impact. This is a negative argument because excessive use is linked to loneliness, depression, and anxiety. Carefully curated content contributes to low self-esteem, particularly among youth. C. Spread of misinformation. This is a negative argument because social media facilitates the rapid dissemination of misinformation, emphasizing the need for critical evaluation and verification. 3 is conclusion. Conclusion in the text is synthesize the discussed points, highlighting the dual nature of social media's impact, enhancing communication while posing risks to mental health and contributing to the spread of misinformation. Emphasize the importance of a nuanced understanding. The overall purpose is to present a comprehensive analysis, encouraging readers to consider both sides of the social media impact and fostering a nuanced perspective.